How to log in into ZRA tax account. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel How to Log In. In this tutorial video, I will show you guys how to log in into ZRA tax account. So let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, make sure that you have a stable internet connection on your device. After that, open any browser you have on a device. For instance, I'll be using Safari application. Now on the search bar, search for ZRA tax login. As you can see, I have already searched for it. After searching, different types of websites and links like this will be appeared on your screen. Click on the first website, ZRA portal, and with that you will be directed to this page. Now here you can see sign into portal. Now all you need to do is enter your TPIN, passport and CAPTCHA that is on your screen. So enter all of your details and simply click on sign in. And in case you have forgotten your password, you can tap on forget your password option below the register. And if you already haven't created an account, you can also tap on register option. So that's all in this very simple and easy way you can log in into your account. I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to drop a like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.